Thank you for joining us today at Cacao Media Pod Tips. The goal of this video series is to bring to you marketing rock stars from around the globe. And today we have a very special guest who I am pleased to introduce you to. Elad Ben David is from Wix, and he will tell you more about his position in Wix and what he does there at Wix.
So I'm the creative director for product marketing and user acquisition videos at Wix.
Product marketing is a very big part of marketers' journeys and how they need to create content. Could you tell us, for example, what are some of the product marketing strategies that you do in order to keep your audience engaged?
So the first thing I do as a creative director and a journalist is to ask myself, where's the news about this product? I always say that there's a huge question mark above every potential user's head, and they always ask themselves, what's in it for them? And our job as marketeers is to find that answer and to find something that's both news and relevant for someone, because when something is new and relevant, it could never be boring.
There is a big difference creating product videos for an actual product or a service. You know, what do you think is the biggest difference between doing those types of videos?
So that's a good question. Product videos and service related videos are very different in a way that the product is something that's very feasible, and we always try to show the product for at least 80% of the video, because we want the product to be the protagonist of the story. While in services, you have to find a way to kind of, for instance, insurance. You have to find a way to lead the potential user or the viewer to the service you offer. So we usually use people. And when it comes to service like insurance, that's extra complicated. The more you use someone who's more reliable and kind of fits your brand equity, the better. In product videos, I don't really think that we need to insist on people. But in services, people are important.
So though this year you're talking at Content Israel, right?
Yes.
So what can users expect and the audience actually expect when they attend Content Israel from your presentation?
So my presentation will be about storytelling, just one word. But the key takeaways will be about how to combine human emotions and data findings and creating something that's both performance-led and engaging and interesting. It's just about finding the right value proposition for the right target audience and making something impactful and fun.
Look out for Elad at Content Israel. It's on November the 20th. Tickets are still available. You can get them at www.contentisrael.com. Elad especially has a special surprise for you at Content Israel. He plans to actually share with you a template that he uses to do his storyboards and everything. So when you have to produce your videos, it's a simple task for you.